you ever thought about making $350 or more every day? Well, today we're going to explore how you can do just that using AI-powered online courses. I'm going to show you step by step how to create an online course using AI tools. We'll also look at the best platforms to use and how to use them effectively. Hey Brainiacs, welcome back to Brain and Bank. If you're new here, I'm John, and I'm thrilled to have you join us. This channel is your ultimate guide to making money online and mastering YouTube strategies. Whether you are a beginner looking to start a profitable online venture or a seasoned entrepreneur aiming to scale your digital income, you'll find valuable tips, tricks, and insights here. To all our returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. You are the reason we keep going. For those of you who are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of savvy earners. Let's take control of our financial futures together and transform our brain power into bankable wealth. So if you're ready to learn how to make some serious money online, let's get started. First, let's talk about why AI-powered online courses are so profitable. These courses combine the power of artificial intelligence with your knowledge and expertise. This means you can create high-quality content faster and more efficiently than ever before. Now, let's dive into step-by-step process of creating your AI-powered online course. Step 1. Choose your topic. Think about what you're good at or passionate about. It could be anything from cooking to coding to personal finance. Make sure it's something people want to learn about. Step 2. Research your market. Use tools like Google Trends, vidIQ, or any keyword research tools to see if there's a demand for your topic. Look at what other courses are out there and how you can make yours different and better. Step 3. Plan your course content. Break down your topic into smaller, manageable lessons. Create an outline of what you want to cover in each lesson. Step 4. Use AI to help you create your content. Now, here's where the AI comes in. We're going to use a platform called ChatGPT to help us create our course content. Go to chat.openai.com and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Step 5 is where you generate course content with ChatGPT. Once you're in ChatGPT, start by typing something like, I am creating an online course about, in this our example, we are creating a course on how to start an online business in 2024. Can you help me write the script for the first lesson? From my experience, have found that asking ChatGPT to write bite-sized content tend to be more comprehensive than when you give it a long task, which it tends to end up giving you just a summary of each. So I'd rather you ask it to give you bite size of each of the content that you want it to create. ChatGPT will then generate a draft for you. Review the content, make any necessary changes, and repeat this process for each lesson. Step 6. Create visuals with AI. For your course visuals, we'll use an AI image generation tool called Midjourney. Go to midjourney.com and sign up for an account. Type in descriptions of the images you want, and Midjourney will create them for you. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you images suggestions for each of the lessons generated. to use for the mid-journey image generation, description, or prompt. This can ensure you are creating the right images for each of your lessons. Step 7. Record your video lessons. Use a simple video recording tool like Loom or OBS Studio to record yourself presenting the lessons. Don't worry about being perfect. Just be yourself and explain things clearly. Step 8 is to edit your videos. Use a free video editing tool like DaVinci Resolve to put your videos together. Add your AI generated images where appropriate. Now that we have our course content ready, let's look at the best platform to host and sell our course. Step 9 is choose a course platform. Others will use Teachable. Go to teachable.com and sign up for an account. Teachable is user-friendly and has all the features you will need to host and sell your course. Step 10. Set up your course on Teachable. Log in to your Teachable account, click on Create New Course, and follow the prompt to set up your course. Upload your video lessons and any additional materials. Step 11 is where you price your course. Research similar courses in your niche to get an idea of pricing. Remember, you are aiming to make $350 plus per day, so price accordingly. Step 12 is to set up your payment system. Teachable integrates with PayPal and Stripe for easy payment. Follow the instructions in Teachable to connect your payment accounts. Step 13 is where you market your course. Use social media, email marketing, and even paid ads to get the word out about your course. For more information about email marketing, check out our video on 10 tools you need to start your online business in 2024. Offer a free sample lesson to attract potential students. Step 14. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to student questions and concerns. Consider offering office hours or a community forum for your students. Step 15 is keep improving and updating your course. Regularly ask for feedback from your students and make improvements. Keep your content up to date with the latest information in the field. And there you have it. You now know how to create an AI-powered online course that can potentially earn you $350 or more per day. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, persistence, and the willingness to learn and adapt. But with these tools and steps, you are well on your way to creating a successful online course business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to leave comments letting me know what kind of course you're planning to create. Thanks for watching and good luck with your online course journey.